The area of the curve y is equal to tan x, tangent drawn to the curve at x is equal to pi by 4 and x-axis is. So that's why first of all we draw a diagram for y is equal to tan x. That is, this is the point axis. Tan x is always passes through origin and like this. This is pi by minus pi by 2 and this is plus pi by 2. Okay. When x is equal to pi by 2, pi by 4, y is equal to 1. So this is when x is equal to pi by 4. This is the point pi by 4 comma 1. The tangent drawn at the curve to the point x is equal to pi by 4. That means in this point pi by 4 comma 1, the tangent to the parabola is this is the tangent to the parabola. The tangent cuts the x-axis at a point A, and x is equal to pi by 4 is the point B, and it is the point O, P, and it is origin. It exists. Required area is the area of the curve and the tangent. That means that this is the required area bounded by the tangent and the curve y is equal to tan x. So that's why required area. First of all we find the equation of tangent. Given curve is y is equal to tan x. So for slope dy by dx is equal to secant square x. Dy by dx at pi by 4 is 2. Now equation of tangent is y minus y1 means 1 is equal to slope 2 into x minus pi by 4. This is the equation of tangent. If this tangent cuts the x-axis at A, on x-axis y is equal to 0. So that's why minus 1 by 2 is equal to x minus pi by 4. So that implies x is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. Therefore the point A is pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 comma 0. That is the point A. Now the required area is area of integral area of OAP plus area of triangle ABP. So that's called in OAP is the area of the curve on x-axis. So that is integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx plus area of the triangle is of base, where base is pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus pi by 4. This is the base into height means 1. So both are cancelled. Now the area is integral of tan x means secant square x 0 to pi by 4 minus 1 by 4. That is equal to pi by 4 means root 2. Secant 0 means 1. Sorry. Is log mod secant x minus 1 by 4. This is integral of tan x means log mod secant x 0 to pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 both are cancelled. Minus 1 by 2 into plus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 4. Now applying log secant x pi by 4 on secant x log root 2 and lower limit is 0 minus 1 by 4. This is the required area.